This is the 2-mil coffee grinder. It's a very, very nice stainless steel and very sturdy. It has suction cup on the bottom, so it sucks on your service without shaking. And I have installed the chamber up here and pour in some coffee beans. And all you have to do is insert it and twist it in place. There's a separate grinder ring that you just put under there first before you put this cup on top. And this is the coffee grind holder. And of course you have to open up the seal and you insert it into the grinder, and then the unit will turn on itself. And this is the lid that you put on top. And to select the grind size, there's many corresponding level here, from mocha pot to filter to French press, cold brew. So all you do is you twist the top to line up with your desired grind size. And I'm going to do French press, so I'm going to line up this white dot to this area. It says French press. And this is a timing. You can select how long you want to grind it for. Just gonna make a single cup, so I guess 10 should be good. And you press this button.
Okay, so here is our 12 Mao, I believe I'm saying the name properly, coffee grinder. It's just plugged it in. It looks like it's very well made. We're going to try grinding it on 12, which is a drip pour over setting. And we have it set for 10 seconds. Here we go. Well, 10 seconds is not quite long enough, but let's see what it looks like. There it is. Looks good. Don't see any static. So far, so good. We'll come back with more.
I reused my Nespresso pot, so now I can grind my beans right into the pot. There you have it.